Now consider a four-way stop. Pedestrians always have priority. All cars must stop at the marked lines and allow pedestrians to cross safely. After that, vehicles proceed in order, usually based on who arrived first, and cross the intersection carefully. There's also a situation where a truck tries to pass through without stopping at a four-way stop. This is incorrect. The driver must stop completely, check for other vehicles, and then proceed safely. Next scenario. A stop sign is present. It is mandatory to stop, check for oncoming traffic, and only proceed when the road is clear. If another vehicle is approaching, you must wait and give way before continuing. However, for a vehicle coming from the main road and turning off, the situation is different. That driver does not have a stop sign and can continue without stopping, as they are already on the main road.